naman paano kung may sister na kasama na we talk about things, hindi lang sa work, parang terms of relationship, yung pinagkukwentuhan namin yung buhay-buhay. Marami, fashion, marami talaga, gadgets. Parang magaan katrabaho lahat kasi halos same age lang kami. Feeling ko kasi if Louise and I didn't get along in real life, we wouldn't be able to work as well as we do right now. So, since we're friends, we're good friends, so siguro it helps din to build that trust. Kasi we need that trust din because ang bibigat nga na eksena namin together. And like, sometimes kasi, lalo na siya, mahirap yung mga scenes. So she basically has to cry in almost every scene. So minsan napapagod na siya. So sometimes I help her out. Like there was a time na parang I was like, oh, come here. I helped motivate her, so I hugged her. And I was binubulungan ko siya sa tenga niya na mga kung ano-ano. She's like, so it's like, pero after that, it's for the scene naman. Parang nothing personal naman nangyayari sa amin. Kapag may big scene kami, talagang pinag-uusapan namin. Lalo na kapag may mga physical aspect, talagang nag-uusap kami, itutulak kita, sampalin mo akong ganyan. Okay lang sa akin kasi mga simpleng bagay lang kasi as much as possible, gusto namin na natural lumalabas lahat.
So what's your favorite Darlene Marilyn scene so far?
I can't say because it hasn't been aired yet, but
Dun sa mga na-air na.
sa mga na-air na, siguro yung pinasuot ko siya ng girl costume. That's funny.
Sobrang mean.
Sobrang mean, pero nakakatawa.
Wala namang issue sa sapawan since pareho kayong magaling. So,
wala. Kasi, problema na ng writer yun. Joke lang. Hindi, kasi parang, every week naman may moment bawat character. Hindi lang sa aming dalawa ni Darlene, may moment din si, kunyari, si Ma'am Charito, si Ziggy, si Giselle, si Perlita, si Aida, si Jerome. So, lahat may moment. Ang dami mangyayari kay Perlita, sa akin, kay Marilyn. Pero more on, between Marilyn and I, mas magkakaroon ng tension and mas lalabas na yung evil side ko. Yan mga kapuso, sana po patuloy niyong suportahan at panoorin Ang Mundo Mo'y Akin. Gabi-gabi po yan pagkatapos ng Ana Karenina dahil painit na painit ang mga eksena ang makikita niyo.